friends, it's Lael with Lael by Mail. In this video, I thought we'd take a look at my August setup in my Traveler's Notebook. So I have moved out of my July setup and now I am ready for August. So I am using the Champagne Traveler's Notebook. This I have available on my website at laelbymail.com, and I've linked to it down below in the description of the video. I have used the Midsummer Traveler's Notebook Kit, which is also available on my website, and I have also linked to that in the description below. So the collection that I've used in this part of the kit is the wonderful Sweet Story collection from Crate Paper by Maggie Holmes, and I just love it. It's so happy and cheery, so anytime I open up my Traveler's Notebook to get to work, it just greets me with a smile. So I love it. I have decorated the pockets and then added a couple of clips that are not included as part of the kit. Then I always slip cover a couple of my inserts so that I can switch out that slip cover every month and continue to use the same insert. So my first insert that I have in my Traveler's Notebook for the month, this is kind of my generic to-do list, if you will. So lots of different project ideas, different numbers, to-do list, different things like that. I also have my social media calendar for the month as well. So that's where I kind of keep track of all of those things that don't necessarily have another place. This little insert right here. So I have laminated this, and I will link to a video in the description down below. I did a video on how you can create your own dashboards. In this case, I've laminated this dashboard, laminated the pattern paper so that I can use a wet erase marker, and the wet erase is the key. I can use a wet erase marker. This will stay here for the week, and then I can cross things off as I get them done. I still need to add to our dinner menu for the week, but then because I've used a wet erase marker, it will not smear. When I'm ready to erase this and start over for next week, I just grab a damp paper towel and wipe that off. So I love it. That's just in there. It's fun and cute, but it's also very, very functional. The next insert that I am using is the monthly insert. So I do a monthly insert every month, and here is August. Definitely the things that are in my monthly insert lately, since March, there is not as much as there has been in the past. Normally I am traveling and teaching quite a bit. So you don't see my calendar full of those things. You're seeing my calendar here full of my weekly free classes that I do on Saturday, and then a virtual event that I am doing the 4th weekend in August called the Scrap Smarter Experience. And I have also linked to that in the description of the video down below if you'd like to learn a little bit more than that about that. That's super fun. Okay, then the last insert that I have is a weekly insert. So I use my weekly insert to kind of keep track of the things that I know I need to get done on a daily basis for that week. So even though I have my kind of general project list running at the beginning, I also use this just to kind of keep track of what I need to do on specific days of the week. So there we have it. That is the August setup that I am working with for this month. Once again, I've included links to many of the products I've used in the description of the video down below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.